Hello Cravers, it's another day, it's another craving adventures. Join us as we travel from Hong Kong going to Bangkok, Thailand. Sawadee ka! From Chimchachu area, we book a Klook transfer to airport for less hassle. Then we arrived to the airport. And this is the price, guys. While we are in the airport waiting for our flight to Bangkok, we had drink in the Starbucks. Thank you. Traveling from Hong Kong Airport to Bangkok Airport is a smooth and efficient experience. Typically, the involving a flight duration about 2.5 to 3 hours. Passengers board from Hong Kong International Airport, a modern, well-equipped facility, and arrive to Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport, known to its extensive amenities and cultural displays. Both airports offer numerous international flights daily, ensuring a convenient connection between these vibrant cities. Upon arrival, we look for our book Klook transport to the hotel and start our day one adventure in Bangkok. At this point, we look so haggard since it is our 5th day of travel and our first day in Thailand. Hotel check-in is done and this is our day 5 out of 11 days of traveling. So it's official, day 1 in Bangkok, Thailand. Sawadee ka! So Cravers, let's have a quick room tour of Samran Place Hotel. Walang pailaw si Mayor. We have 2 beds, mirror, a balcony next to the other hotel. We have telephone and bedside lamp, a bedside table and chair, a television, kettle cups and tea, a fridge of course, refrigerator, then a cabinet with hanger. They also have safety deposit box, a full-size mirror. We have here toilet, hair blowers and wash area sink, shower towels. We have here also the shower area with bath, soap, and shampoo.
Akala ko yung maliit lang siya.
So we have here e-key card and the Wi-Fi and password. So that's our room tour for this hotel. And here's the bill of the booking. And for our first day and first night, we are here in Chatuchak Weekend Market. Let's head to Chatuchak Weekend Market for day 1. This bustling market in Bangkok is one of the largest in the world, offering over 15,000 stalls. It's a shopper's paradise, with the vendors selling everything from clothing, accessories, and souvenirs to antiques, furniture, and art. The market is also a food lover's dream, featuring countless stalls with delicious Thai street food and beverages. With its vibrant atmosphere, electric mix of goods, and lively crowds, Chatuchak Weekend Market is a must-visit destination. while you are here in Bangkok, Thailand. Come, let's take a walking tour of Chatuchak Weekend Market and practice our skills in bargaining for the best deal. Hey Cravers, favor naman please. Please comment down below and let me know where you're watching from. I'm excited to see where in the world my video reaches. Thank you so much Cravers. Salamat po.
Papatato ka. Tapos pakita mo sa jowa. Girl. May tattoo ba siya? Uy, dito na ano. Te. Doon na tayo bumili. Sa tapat. Bumili na tayo dito. Ay, wala pala silang buko na. May pa-Uniqlo. Ayun, ay, wala sila. Discount, please.
Okay, 1 free. 1 free. You buy 5, I give you 450.
Let's grab a quick dinner at nearby street food stall close to our hotel. As tomorrow will kick off day 2 with exciting city tour, I can confirm that the food here is both delicious and affordable. We decided to do our laundry at nearby 24-hour shop as we need to wash our clothes we used in Hong Kong. Afterwards, we'll rest, be ready for tomorrow's adventures. Hello Cravers! Thank you for watching for this video and sana ma-comment down below po ninyo kung saan po kayo habang nanonood po nitong video kong ito. Share na rin po and subscribe. See you on the next vlog!